Hey everyone, this is T-Zilla. Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Today I'm going to be reviewing the figure that I just got last week in the mail. It is the 8-inch GMK Godzilla. Now before I go into the review, I want to say this was requested by Daniel Solomon. Give another shout out to Daniel Solomon, everybody. If you watched my video on the Bandai unboxing review, I have 3 figures in the box. If you like to request one of these figures, just leave a comment down below. You are welcome to do that. I will put them up on my channel. So anyways, a few weeks ago I went to Target and I saw some of the Godzilla figures, like Bandai's. And I saw this dude, the little Final Wars Rodan. They had like the Shin Godzillas, Mecha Godzilla, Ghidorah, Earth Godzilla. I didn't see Final Wars Godzilla or the Bio Goji, so he looks cool. And one last thing, so if you saw my review on the Godzilla 2019, as you guys know that the tail couldn't move, but if you break the glue seal, it can rotate. So that's pretty cool. Let's get on to the review. Let's talk about detail first. So sculpting is nice. I really like how they sculpted his head. And the top head looks really good. And I like the open mouth. Got the teeth. And the red tongue. I think that's what I like about Bandai, that they paint the monster's tongue red. And you got the ghost looking eyes. And the neck right here. I really like the dorsal plates. And you got some spikes on the back of the tail. And you got the claws. Got the belly. And the toenails. Looks really cool. And you got the long tail. Now it's time to talk about the articulation. Head rotates 360. Arms rotate 360 too. Legs also rotate 360. As long as you move the arms out of the way, it's not a problem. And the tail rotates 360. The good news is he's made out of soft vinyl, so he's very squishy. And a tail. So anyways, yeah, that's 5 points of articulation. He has that same point as the Bandai America. Let's go into sizing. The Tokyo SOS Godzilla. Perfect. Let's try the monster that he was going to originally fight, but then was replaced by Ghidorah and GMK. Yeah, GMK is very small. This isn't really good. GMK should be a little bit bigger, right around here. So yeah, sizing's not really good here. So that's the end of this review. Detail is good, articulation is good. Sizing, he's very big. Anyways, I'm gonna give him a 20 out of 20. He's a very rare figure, so if you see him, I would highly recommend him to you. I picked him up at Showcase Daikaiju. And I want to say one last thank you to Daniel Solomon. Give another shout out to Daniel Solomon, everybody. Thank you, Daniel Solomon, for requesting this figure. I hope you enjoyed this review. And for all of you, I hope you enjoy this review. Thank you for watching.